Guys, ngicela uphinde ngiyichaze lento ngesineke nangonyawo lonwabo because ngiyazi phela ukuthi yebo asifani indlela esizwa ngayo into ayifani asikho abanye bethu ba slow abanye bethu ba smarter abanye bethu ba they are quick to understand things as they come to them. I am receiving DMs about my mommy makeover, Shisa Umkaba Jenny, Dilizu Jojo Tank Jenny. As I came and posted that I am going to be going through a phase whereby for 3 months I'm going through the treatments I'm doing a tummy tuck. In a simple language, I'm doing a tummy tuck, but the difference about my tummy tuck is that it's not surgery, it's non-surgically, it's non-invasive. And there's no knife that I'm gonna go under. I'm not gonna be cut anything anywhere. It's not a surgery. I'm not gonna be sleeping in a hospital. My tummy look like this at the moment, but is that after 3 months, my tummy will be flatter and flatter. This is a holistic approach to losing belly fats. This machine you see here, it melts the fats inside your tummy. That is why you have to go the treatment, and you have to assist the treatment by eating well, exercising. You don't have to exercise like a bodybuilder. Just light movement, so that the fat that is supposed to come out, it finds a way to come out through the pores, through sweat, through peeing, through pooping, and you must drink a lot of water. I am receiving DMs. People are asking because people are not confident about talking about these things on comments, but I'm receiving a lot of DMs, guys. If you want to see my results and if you want to know what I'm going through, please stay tuned, and please follow 20th Body. I've tagged them. They are 20th Avenue Body Studio. Follow them on TikTok. They are 20th Body. They are the ones who are going to be doing all this treatment with me for the next 3 months. So when all you need to do is to stay tuned. I'm going to be your proof. I'm going to be upfagazi bakho, so that you can actually see what we are talking about here. It actually works. We are not, this is not a scam. It's another way of losing the baby fat to those who've just given birth, the tummy that you've been trying to get rid of all this time and everything. That is why you even see on the 3D, it's showing how these machines work, and the process is not even painful. You just feel the discomfort because you can feel with somebody is doing something in your tummy, but it's not painful at all, guys. It's not painful at all. This is the procedure that you do. Let me do not call it a procedure because it's not a once-off thing. It's an ongoing, it's holistic, it's look at your whole health. Even when they do your first consultation, you will actually get to ask questions. They will explain how the process works and everything. So all I am asking you to do, if you are really interested, stop DMing me with these lot of questions. I am not an expert, but DM me with your numbers. Give me your number. I'll give your number to my therapist so that she can book a consultation with you. I can even get you a discount if you are serious and you're saying, Zandile, ngicela ukujoyina ngoba hi uJojo Thenku ngixakile. When Anje, just drop your number. Just say, Sis Zandile, here is the number, 20th Avenue Body Studio. I need to go there. If you DM me your number and just say, Eceleni 20th Avenue Body Studio, I will know what you're talking about, and I will take your number and give it to my therapist. You can even DM them. They are also here on TikTok. I'm taking them on this post as we speak. Kodwa kubalekile ukuthi in 3 months time, yabona lo mhlola lo Jojo Thenku ubonayo uzobushile njengoba senubona nje nama marks are red. I-treatment leya I've already started. I-treatment lenza those red marks. So nawe if ufuna ukungijoyina musu ukuzibambezela mntaka dad, and ungazuza usaba ukuthi yo Nkosi yami ziyabiza lezi zinto, yo Nkosi yami ngizoyithatha imali engaka. No, You work on your plan. When you are serious and you go to a therapist and explain, they will give you a payment plan. It can be 3 months. It can be depending on the type of a treatment that you have chosen to do. You can do a 3 months like me, and you pay over 3 months. You can do pay per session, depending on your affordability. But just know that it's important that you must commit. You must eat well. You must also reduce your alcohol intake, and you must listen to the instructions that they will give you. That when they say that no alcohol before the treatment or no alcohol 24 hours after just listen, because at the end of the day, this is about your body. They say we are what we eat. So this is a holistic approach. It looks at what you eat. It looks at your health. So DM me if you need this.